industries. Our project is one of the major solutions to reduce the global carbon emission. Our project incorporates smoke absorber strategically placed along the roads whenever or vehicle, let it be a car or engine, enters, it detects its presence, and by the activation of IR sensor, then it absorbs the smoke, then it transfers the smoke into the smoke absorber, and then it directly passes through the carbon filter.
The smoke is
Smoke is absorbed through smoke absorber. Whenever the vehicle passes,
what is here?
or when the vehicle moves front, then it stops automatically.
You think that there is effective will it be sustainable for future carbon dioxide present in atmosphere? Because the government has already given many electric vehicles are under the project. They are giving many schemes. They are giving support. What do you need the agent for
Hydrofluorocarbon, carbon tetrachloride, methane, methyl bromide, methyl chloroform, halogens, all this was.
This is about your pollution.
First, I want to say what is biodiesel.
Biodiesel.
Yes, what is biodiesel? Biodiesel is a renewable, biodegradable substance which is made from these fossil fuels.
Fossil fuel.
Yes. Fossil fuels or other fuels like that. And we made from the, we have taken the vegetable oil and the catalyst, that is called sodium hydroxide. They are stone base and the alcohol. Ethanol we can take also, and also we can take the ethanol also. From the first introduction, what is ethanol? Biodiesel, how to prepare. And biodiesel, this is a long chain of fatty acids. This is the esters. There is fat molecules that are called. They are called fat molecules. And we have made this from the vegetable oil. That is called C6C30H51O6. By reacting this with the ethanol C2H5OH with a catalyst sodium hydroxide. By the byproducts we have gotten the ethyl ester. And the two vapors, ethyl ester and glycerol. Ethyl ester is C3COOH2 and glycerol is C3H8O6. Benefits, extra many benefits. First of all, what is the sustainability? We are made from this, it is not exhaustible. We can use various things like the vegetable, we can expand it by our agriculture process. So we can grow the palm oils, sunflower oils by providing job to many of people. That provide the job creations. And we can stand out industrial biodiesel industries which can give the job opportunities. And this is not harmful for the environment also. It's not harmful for the environment also. Because it produces very less amount of sulfur and nitrogen oxide, carbon monoxide and hydrocarbons as compared to the diesel, fossil diesel.
Give them opportunity, let them speak. You explain. What you are interested in?
We have to take vegetable oil, we have to filter it to remove the impurities and then we have to make a catalyst solution of sodium hydroxide and ethanol and mix one and heat it at 80 degrees Celsius or 120 degrees Fahrenheit, and we will get the solution to this reaction is called transterification. And the byproducts are ethyl ester and glycerol. Ethyl ester will collect at the top of the liquid and our glycerol will collect the bottom of the liquid. And then we have to purify it with filter we can expand it. So producing the oils, sunflower oils, palm oils. So we create the job opportunities for people. They will cultivate land. In the land there is oil, sunflower oil, palm oil. This way, this will build cheap.
You have to require that product also. You are telling that
Alcohol and catalyst.
you require catalyst also. You are this sodium hydroxide and the use of sodium hydroxide. That sufficient
Now we can use another sodium hydroxide is a caustic soda. We can prepare it.
Yes, we can prepare it, but
Electrolysis.
before you have to do it in the industry or somewhere you have to will that industry, will that be that much effective? The cost, no, do you have any record? But have you any record like how much they are using this sodium hydroxide they are using? And
500 ml, 5 gram of sodium hydroxide, 100 ml of ethanol.
you have already measured it?
Yes, yes, so prepare a catalyst solution. Sodium hydroxide and ethanol. 80 degree. And at 80 degree we will take. Boil after that.
So the assembly kind of
Snowy areas, in cold regions, means this biodiesel cannot suffer. It is converted into gel.
we converted into gel.
No, in cold regions, if you keep it, then it will converted into gel. Just as cold
Listen little loudly, you speak.
So what reaction is happening?
transterification. It is an external reaction.
Exothermic reaction. That means heat is
Evolved.
evolved. Will it not be any problem if excess heat is evolved? No. Last night, 10.
This can be made in industries to reduce the pollution, to reduce the amount of carbon dioxide is in our atmosphere.
Most of the industries like the thermal power plant and my goal is we will implement this. They will create the releasing of eco-friendly, then it will be very beneficial for our environment. So that might and direction of the principle of this policy.
Let's explain the principles of operation of this field. So, this model works on the principle of Savater reaction. So, Savater reaction is a kind of reaction in which carbon dioxide gas reacts with hydrogen gas in the presence of a very high temperature. It reacts to form methane gas as well as some amount of water molecules. So, basically, what is done here is just that is because then is it is first, smoke is in thermal power plants. Mostly carbon dioxide is only released. So carbon dioxide is released. It is collected in a container. Then from this container, it is moved to another container. On the other hand, we have done electrolysis. Electrolysis, ma'am, we have used 2 electrodes in the water, salt water, a little bit only. It is normal water. So to do this reaction, we nearly need 100 to 200 degrees Celsius. So if we pass electricity to it, then both the gases are coming here. Then it will react and form methane gas. Methane gas adds some amount of water molecules also. This methane gas release also can be now used to the cities instead of the LPG gas. Dioxide reacts with hydrogen gas in the presence of some high amount of temperature to produce methane gas as well as some amount of water molecules. So basically we have done that is just collect the smoke. We have collected smoke in a container which are released from the industries. It can be collected in a container. Then these gases is passed to another container. Now first here actually it is purified. Then it is taken to another container, the carbon dioxide gas. On the other hand, we have done electrolysis. We have put 2 electrodes in it. In the cathode side, hydrogen is produced, and in the anode side, oxygen is produced. We can also do it practically. Here it is coming, you can see it. Bubbles. It is not clearly visible.
Yes, bubbles.
Bubbles are being produced. This bubbles is hydrogen gas, purely hydrogen gas, and this one is which is collected. It is oxygen. It can be also released to atmosphere, causing it causes no harm. Then hydrogen is carried to another container, is same container where the carbon dioxide is stored. Then in this container, what is done is that heat energy is generated. And we have used, it is not possible for us to provide that much high energy, so we have used a graphite container. Because graphite, if we pass electricity to the graphite container, it will produce a high amount of temperature. That's why we have used graphite container. So basically, it came to the graphite container and it will react and it will form methane gas as well as some amount of water molecules. So if methane gas is produced, then it can be instead of LPG gas which is used in our homes. Nowadays LPG is also very high cost. And before also in India, biogas is used. Methane gas is biogas. So this can be used instead of providing LPG gas in that pipes. It can be used to reduce, somehow it reduces the pollution. I'll request my friend also to conclude this project.
Thank you for giving the opportunity to explain about the conclusion of my project. Carbon dioxide gas, which are mainly released from the industry, can cause a lot of harm to the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide gas can be minimized by the process of Sabatier reaction, which we have involved in this graphite to the graphite container. To make it useful, we can convert the carbon dioxide into the methane. Methane gas is used for the household purposes like cooking instead of the LPG gas. Methane gas is directly exposed out to the environment because it is an eco-friendly gas. So for this prevention of global warming, it is a great idea. If it is installed in the country like India, where the global warming is a great headache for the Indian government, it can be useful. At last, I will conclude that this project should be implemented near the carbon dioxide producing industries.
Power plants, fertilizers industries, oil industries.
implemented in a like thermal power plant where coal is burned. If we burn a coal, then it will mainly what we only releases the carbon dioxide gas. Mostly carbon dioxide gas is produced. In thermal power plants, India is self-sufficient of producing electricity nowadays. But because of the thermal power plants, a lot of pollution is there. Like ma'am, Delhi, what you know, Delhi's situation nowadays. For that purposes only, this mechanism can be done. In fertilizers industry also, a lot amount of carbon dioxide is released.
For that emission, you have to again set up an industry.
No, it is not an industry. It is just a mechanism,
Just a mechanism
which can be implemented in the industries. Yes, ma'am.
Will it be cost effective?
Yes, not that much very cost, ma'am, because only its cost is
Because we know that what in photosynthesis what reaction?
photosynthesis, ma'am. Just it converts it absorbs the sunlight.
Energy into chemical energy.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and the carbon.
In this project, we have this jar box, and this is heat sensing highlights. This is what is contributed to the water to control the pollution. This is the smoke which is produced by this process, and these cooling filters to control the excess heat which is produced by this smoke. And now we are operating this process. In this project, this heat sensors will sense the heat, and that energy will pass to the battery. Here the energy will store this battery, and from that battery, here for bulb, we have connected the electric circuit, and from here the bulb goes. And in this project, this smoke goes to the water. In this, we have connected the heat sensors. Here we have connected the pipe, and in this, some smoke consists of some harmful gases like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, etc. Some are dissolved and some are absorbed, and some will rest in the form of residue. That this carbon trade will get or small agricultural foods. All connections we took help of for it.
Idea whether it's a new thing or where practice is a concept, but my question is that like this idea which you have you got this idea?
We all decided.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
How group fighting? Want to relax? So telling that you can small heat energy is generated. Then you tell that which energy they are taking. Then heat energy, here the sensor will sense the energy, each energy, and it will pass to the battery. Here the battery is here the energy is stored. And here electric circuit.
formative years when we start doing, definitely we will keep coming up to this stage.
This project is all small industry. For big industry, we can appoint here.
Lovely and
Today we are going to cover an interesting topic. We are assembled here to show you how can we maintain sustainability by using process engineering for solving biological environmental process. Regarding this matter, every person thinks, but few of them can make this possible in their daily life. So we are pursuing our project for showing people that we can do bioengineering in our day-to-day life, and also we can give rise to this thing. So let me speak. We have covered 6 possible endeavors here. In this particular topic, there are many topics that can be covered. In our model, we have shown 6 possible endeavors. First is bioplastic soap. As you can see this is homemade bioplastic we have made. We can show you the process afterwards. And these are some samples of it. We have made. As this is homemade, we have made in these plates. If we open some industries regarding this, we can make this as usual. And it will be very efficient for our country. Second method is wastewater treatment by using bioengineering technology. As we know that the water is very limited and it's not renewable. So if water is already wasted, then how can we relieve it? So this is a particular process. Many countries opted already, and we want that our country also become such manageable that they can build industries regarding this. And the third topic is vertical farming, which again consists of 2 parts: aeroponics and hydroponics. And in vertical farming, as we know, it is a artificial farming, and we can cover some amount of crops in it. And the hydroponics and aeroponics are kind of related to each other. We'll discuss. And the fourth topic is biogas production by using cow dung. This is done by many people, but all over India it is not already spread, and we want it to be a global issue to be maintained. And the last but not the least, glue preparation by using thermocol and waste petrol. So this will be a very efficient topic to cover and not a global issue. So first, let us discuss now. The first topic is biodegradable plastic. As the plastic is very hazardous to our country, global. So if we make bioplastics, then minimum ingredients are used and efficient amount of plastic we can produce without harming our environment. In our oceans, 13% of the waste products are plastic, and this trend, if it will continue, then one day the plastics will be more than the precious minerals. So we are in we will show you the process which is I am saying 4 tablespoons of distilled water we have used, and we'll add now glycerin. 1 teaspoon of glycerin. We have added here 1 teaspoon of glycerin. Now add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Now we'll add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch.
Any type of alcohol is detected in the vehicles.
why I'm making a little more. We have to cook this for some time and then freeze it. We can freeze in the natural environment. We have made this and we have freezed in the natural environment. Natural temperature. This is a little time difference. Yes.
Where
This is homemade, and if we make it in a huge amount in industries, then we can substitute the non-traditional plastic, and we can use this in day-to-day life markets. As we don't have
plastic are also various types of the material which are like that plastic are very soft in texture. That plastic is being used in multi-purpose. The texture is very hard. Do you think that can be supported for here?
if this plastic works, and many
Because I think personally that here the technology can exist
in vehicles.
yes, can exist in vehicles.
Then, in day-to-day life, we can reduce the usage of plastic by making this. But in vehicles, ma'am, I think some amount of plastic will be used. But we can add some ingredients of bioplastic to it. Yes, ma'am, the resistance power of bioplastic is little less. But I think the daily usage is more than the vehicles use. So we can substitute the daily use plastic wrappers and polythenes so that the usage will be lesser than the traditional plastic.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
deforestation.
And that's why the
Already there's no shortage of land. So do you think this vertical farming will it be that effective?
yes, ma'am. Because
And here you are planting one or the other, like some crop for some crop, okay, whose biomass will be less. You can do that. But for higher, like for the big trees, this can be implemented. What are the drawbacks?
in hydroponics and aeroponics, we can plant small plants only. But by this, we can save some amount of land and we can plant big trees over here in the barren land, as you said. In barren lands, and if the lands are
I don't think that this is effective for planting.
no, ma'am. Here we can't plant big trees, but we can save land by planting small trees over here and save land for big trees. And big trees can produce more oxygen than small trees. In urban area, I think it is more effective as the capital formation is larger. And here, stacks are formed where plants are grown. And in aeroponics, rollers-like structures are there where plants are grown. But the common thing is that no soil is infused over here. So actually, on sustainability, we have to maintain for future generations. So we can save.
Let me stop you here. These are your numbers?
Yes.
Can one of you tell me what do you mean this word sustainable? Yes. Sustainable.
50 ml.
Like your
Let it turn off automatically. Then we use camel 50 ml. Then this blue light turn off.
yes. That's louder.
Ma'am, actually she is sufficient. Sustainability is the ability to meet the needs of the present generation without compromising the needs of the future generation. They meet their needs in their own.
Hey, lower it. Lower. Ek number.
Here we can produce also and also in commercial. In urban areas, in big commercial industries, rice
Decompose.
and here is the glue preparation. As we know,
Good morning, respected judges and dear teachers. Today we are honored to present a concept that the alarming number of road accidents in our society caused by alcohol-impaired driving. According to global statistics, alcohol-impaired driving is responsible for 25 to 30% of all road fatalities. In India, alcohol consumption contributes to a significant share of road accidents. Our proposed solution is the alcohol detection system for vehicles. This system can be further enhanced by using communication modules such as the GSM or IoT technology. This can send alerts to the family members and law enforcement, ensuring timely interventions.
Interesting, but that sample.
Then we have dipped in 80% alcohol solution to demonstrate.
My question is, you are taking that sample nearby that's a sensor. That's a sensor. Then there is a sound emission. No, in form of program. So in vehicles, will they stop? How?
Then we have actually adjusted the sensitivity to its minimum actually. If we adjust the sensitivity to the maximum, then
You know, it is already drowned, by the smell only they can sense it. Like if he is using some deodorant,
लाइट जलवा देखो है
having a huge fragrance, which is, much aromatic than, alcohol, then he cannot detect it. They will run away. We cannot, when there is celebration of something like in New Year's party, where there are more consumption of alcohol, then only there is a detector, test is done. But in Delhi, they are not testing somewhere. They are not testing anywhere.
and we can make it such that first the drivers have to do in this alcohol sensors. If they will not do, then the car will not start. We can do that with the help of microcontrollers, which is our screen.
That's what I'm asking. It can be implemented like in some celebration day, like in New Year's Eve or.
We want this to be implemented in all vehicles.
But in day-to-day activity, people are drinking. There's consumption of alcohol, so they will not stop. We cannot make them stop and they will go and blow on that detector. You cannot stop it.
We have to make it compulsory that they have to first blow in the sensor to activate the vehicles.
So that there should be a traffic or there should be a traffic system.
No, we want this system to be implemented in all vehicles actually.
Inside the car.
First they have to close, start the car.
So you are telling that this system has to be implemented inside the car.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That will be the most effective.
So first they will blow in the car, then they will drive. There is no sound emission, no alarm, then only they can drive. Much more population for that youngster.
That's what I think so actually. It is better than losing many lives. Around Earth, more than 1.3 million people die every year.
Is it done practically? Practically? Not yet. If it is done practically, then it's a very huge problem. Because alcohol is a very major issue. More accidental deaths are due to this reason only. Students are dying.
At the optimum level of the glucose. Glucose is a type of carbohydrate which is belong to monosaccharide. It means a single number of sugar molecule. Glucose can be made by the hydrolysis of carbohydrate like maltose, sucrose, lactose, cellulose, and glycogen. Then now saline. Saline is a mixture of NaCl and water. There are also other recent uses in curing wounds and storage and removal of contact lens, and dexterous use of tracking for the patient's body. Apart from this, glucose comes in blood monitoring and because of antibiotics also occurs in this process. Now I will explain the aim of the experiment. I will do this project because it is very cost effective health technique for the hospitals for the lives of the patients with smart hospital management. Innovative awareness for the process in the attender. If by chance it gives most common result that there is too many loss. So if the glucose is not present, then the patient the glucose is retreating second by second. Then by hearing the sound of the buzzer, he or she can walk and change the IV pay. From the my friend Rohan will explain to you how to use the mechanism of our project.
This is our system which has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 transistor, 4 resistor and 4 LED bulbs, and 1 photocope and a capacitor with a buzzer. What we will do, we will explain by
इसके अंदर जाएगा पानी डालें कंडेंस होगा ठंडा हो जाएगा गैस ठंडा हो जाएगा लिक्विड इसको रिफाइन कर सकते हैं और सपोज कि गैस कंडेंस हो गया
here we have taken 400 ml of saline powder. Here what will happen when the level of the saline will be at 400 level, then all the lights will start to glow. All the lights which we have fitted in this circuit plate will start to glow. Again we will release to minimum 350. Then one light will get automatically will get off. Then again when we reduce to minimum 250 ml, then again simultaneously blue light will also get off. And similarly, then 150 ml when it will reduce down to 150 ml the saline level, then it will off the main light as well as after that it will reduce down to 50 ml, then the red light will get off, then the siren will start to produce sound. We will keep this here in the reception where all the nurses are being, by using one display we can demonstrate them in which room of which whose patient glucose level is going down. They will not come at the proper time, then the backflow of the glucose, backflow of the blood will occur and many disorder can.
Can you speak louder?
Applications of plastic where we present on the topic and it allows for drivers. As Indian, we need to discuss about the road accidents. This is fairly common in India. Road accident is a growing worldwide problem. Around 1.35 billion